Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 12 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it, and here in this left section let's pick the display. Here we have to tap on the timeout. And as you can see, we've got some options from which we can choose. So the first ones, like 15 and 30 seconds, are relatively short options, or we've got also 1, 2, 5, 10 or 30 minutes. What is more, we can always set never, which simply means that your device will never automatically black out. You will have to do it manually. So in order to pick particular option, just tap on it and I will pick 10 minutes. As you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 10 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the screen timeout in your Blackview Tab 12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.